Assalamu alaikum. I'm Abdul Wahab Peregrine Amamu from Ghana and currently in London here at the Beitul Futul Mosque, one of the largest mosques in Western Europe, and currently here for the Jalsa Salana UK 2024. Follow me as I take you on a tour what's going on inside. Prayers is over now, and as you can see, members are taking their lunch. So join me after I finish with my lunch as well.
Prophet Muhammad, he is his messenger.
Currently, we are done with lunch and we are heading towards the MT Africa office where most of the work will be happening.